smile. A lion roars with all his might, king of jungle, full of fight. Tiger sneaks in stripy gear, creeps up close then shouts, I'm here. An elephant walks with heavy feet, splashing water to beat the heat. Giraffe is tall, neck way up high, she touches clouds up in the sky. Clap your hands and stomp the ground, let's make that animal jungle sound. Jump like a monkey, roar like a bear, wild friends are everywhere. And bear loves honey, sticky and sweet, he dances around with furry feet. Zebra trots in black and white, stripes like magic, what a sight. Fox is clever, quick and sly, zooms through trees, waving by. Monkey swings from tree to tree, laughing loud and full of glee. A crocodile snaps with toothy grin, careful now, don't fall in. Wolf goes howling at the moon, sing along, it's a jungle tune. Wave goodbye to lion and deer, we'll be back again next year. Animals wild, fun and free, in this jungle family.